Hey guys, welcome back to our blog. I'm Luke Ediger, sales manager here at Charleston Homes. Today I have Eric Almquist with me with Benchmark Mortgage. I want to talk a little bit about VA financing. A couple weeks ago, Eric and his team threw a training course or a class regarding VA financing and the fact that Benchmark actually specializes in VA financing. So I just wanted to get you here today and ask you a couple questions or have you talk a little bit about that VA financing.
Sure, appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, I think the class that we had, one of the things that became pretty evident with me was, I think as a lender, and I've been lending money for 20 some odd years, the assumption is that veterans or service members, active service members, know what their VA home loan benefits are. And I think one of the things that I figured out really fast is that's not necessarily the case. I think the VA does a good job of providing benefits. I think they need a little help in educating people on what their benefits are. So for me, that was an eye-opening experience. And Benchmark is kind of on a mission right now. We have owners that are in Texas, and they are very pro-veteran and service members. And their goal is to be the VA lender in the country, number one. I mean, that's their goal. And so we've really had this focus on learning VA benefits, being experts in that criteria.
Because it sounds like there's an assumption out there, I think we've all made it, that when a veteran comes in, we start having that conversation that they know everything about it.
Yeah.
So having a lender like Benchmark, you guys are able to ask the proper questions to find out what they know and what they don't know, because quite frankly, a lot of them might not know what benefits are available to them.
Yeah, I think a lot of times we don't take the first step of asking them if they have ever been in the service before to know if they even have the benefit. And so for one, we had to step back and just make sure that we're asking the question on every client that we meet, because sometimes they have it and they don't know that it means anything. Yeah. And we don't know unless we ask.
And if you assume, you might, you're not going to get anywhere.
You're not going to get anywhere.
Yeah.
So I think that was a big aha moment for me, is you can't assume that veterans know what their benefits are, and you can't assume that they're going to tell you if they have their benefits. I mean, you have to be proactive in asking those questions.
Yeah. Well, I think you guys, like I said, it was a really good class you offered. I think you guys are becoming well versed in the VA financing. So, guys, definitely if you're looking for VA financing or any financing for that means, definitely check Eric out. And we're gonna have some links on this blog video to some resources for VA financing. So definitely check those out. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Visit our website at charlestonhomesomaha.com.